How to fix sorry something went wrong. For solutions, please visit. And for this error comes usually for Black Myth Wukong, and what you need to do is open your Steam and go into your library and select Black Myth Wukong. Right click on it, click on properties, and then click on installed files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. What this will do is this will verify of your game files and will try to repair the problem. After this, hopefully your problem solves, and yes, this is how you can do it. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.